Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to show followers on your Facebook profile. So before we get started, please subscribe this channel below and click on the notification bell to get updated. So let's get started. First of all, just start by tapping on the apps icon. Go to the Facebook. Here we go. Then simply tap on this three horizontal line at the top right. Then scroll down and you will see options of settings and privacy. Just tap on this option. And again go to the settings there, and here scroll down, and in the section of audience and visibility you can see an option of followers and public content. Just tap on this option, and here you can see an option of who can see your followers on your timeline. So if you want to show your followers to the public, just click on this public option. If you want to show your followers to your Facebook friends only, just tap on this friends option. So here I'm going with public option. So that's it, and again go back and your followers has been shown to the public. So this is how you can simply show your followers on your Facebook profile. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please comment and like this channel as well. Thank you for watching.